Okay, hello guys. How's everybody doing? So today I will look for potential US dollar longs and Japanese yen longs during this webinar. Maybe this will be a quick session, but also if you have questions, I'm waiting for your messages in that YouTube chat. I will try to answer to your questions. First of all, please read the disclaimer. It's important to understand that trading is risky, and don't forget that past performance in trading is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Please understand that. Okay, so if you are a VIP member, unfortunately I've sent a pending order in US dollar versus the Mexican peso. I'm still holding that, or actually I'm not holding because that's a pending order. I'm still keeping that pending order. The setup is still valid, so I will look for potential new US dollar longs. Okay, so let's take a look first of all here on the economic calendar. So PPI in line with expectations, core PPI better than expected, and I will start with the crude oil, with the US oil, because earlier today crude oil inventories, yeah, above expectations, which could be bad, I don't know, in the short term, but right now it could be bad for the price of oil. But right now, in the short term, in the crude oil, the US oil is still bullish, as you can see here. Personally, I don't have a setup here. Yeah, I've deleted my drawings and yeah. So I will use this key level as resistance. And something like this. So right now, no, I don't want to do anything here on US oil, and what? Yeah, okay. So let's take a look. US oil. As long as it stays below 93.52, this key level, or we have a key level here, 92.92, yeah. And as long as it stays below this downtrend line, maybe I will look for only for potential shorts. But right now, let's use downside line here, and I don't know, maybe this could represent potential falling wedge pattern, a major reversal pattern. But right now this potential pattern, reversal pattern, is far from being confirmed. Okay, so in the short term, yeah, it's still bullish, even if the crude oil inventories come in above expectations. Okay, but worse in the last week, but worse compared to the previous reporting period. Yeah, maybe I'll wait to see how it will react here on these resistance levels. Okay, because no, I don't want to buy it right now. I don't want to sell it from here. I will sell maybe only if the price will register false breakouts, test retest here, and if this I don't know, if if the current rebound maybe represents maybe a potential flag, then maybe I will look for potential shorts. Okay, and in my opinion, only value breakout here, accumulation, consolidation could signal a larger upside movement. Okay, so dollar index, let's take a look. 4 hour key level 109.29. Aggressive rally after the US reported higher inflation yesterday, as you already know. Let's take a look on the economic calendar. So US consumer price index 0.1% growth versus 0.1% drop expected. Core CPI 0.6% growth reported in the last month versus only 0.3% growth expected. And so inflation is not good maybe for the economy or for the US dollar, but As you already know, higher inflation will force the Federal Reserve to increase the federal funds rate. Okay, so let's take a look. Next week, guys, on Wednesday, we'll have the FOMC, Federal Open Market Committee, and the federal funds rate here. Actually, the Fed is expected to increase the federal funds rate from 2.50% to 3%. Okay, 3.00%. Okay, so a 50% rate hike, a 0.50% rate hike, a 50 basis point rate hike next week. Okay, but after yesterday's data, after the consumer price index, core CPI, I don't know, maybe we cannot exclude also a 75 basis points rate hike. Okay, if the inflation remains high. Also, don't forget that tomorrow we'll have retail sales from the United States, and yeah, prelim consumer sentiment on Friday. Better than expected US data tomorrow and maybe on Friday could help the dollar index to, I don't know, to develop a new bullish momentum here after this retreat. So right now we have support zone, demand area. I've told you that after this strong rally, maybe this will be only a temporary retreat, temporary drop, test, retest, accumulation, consolidation, and new bullish momentum here could help the US dollar to appreciate. So that's why personally I've sent that trade in US dollar versus the Mexican peso into the VIP group. So right now I will look for new opportunities. Please, guys, if you have questions. Yeah, personally, I was looking also at the potential setup here on Euro USD, but I've decided to place a pending order in US dollar versus the Mexican peso, because here, I don't know, maybe it's risky to place short position above 0.9952 key level. Okay, sell off, retest, but right now, yeah, maybe that US dollar versus the Mexican peso will be a better setup. Okay, so I'm waiting for questions, guys, for messages if you want me to take a look on a specific market. So British pound US dollar rebound, maybe I will but I'll wait for the price to end its rebound, because right now, no, I don't have a short opportunity, and also I don't want to buy it here. US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, Japanese yen strongly bullish in the short term. I will show you why. So right now, guys, US dollar, Japanese yen. I've deleted my drawings because yeah, it's really good maybe to delete your analysis, your drawings. Maybe you can identify something like new opportunities, building new analysis or something. So sideways movement, the bias is still bullish here on US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Maybe this will be a major range, and before extending its growth. And I don't know, maybe I will look for potential longs here. Okay, test, retest, boom. Okay, I will keep an eye on this US dollar versus the Japanese yen. I don't want to sell it as long as it stays above the uptrend line. Yen basket, guys, but this could be, I don't know, maybe only temporary rebound. So here, yeah, new lower lows, but let's use an indicator, relative strength index, for example. Please take a look here. A bullish divergence. Okay, bullish divergence here. So bullish divergence. You can see that the RSI and the price action. Okay, so lower lows and higher lows. Okay, here on the RSI signaled bullish divergence. okay, and right now rebound after failing to stabilize below 70 to 78, and also after this massive sell-off. Yeah, a rebound was natural. Okay, key level here. So I've told you that maybe this will be only a temporary rebound, but I don't know, as an intraday trade. Dimitri, hi, how are you? Check crude oil for me, please. Yeah, I will take a look again on US oil for you. Okay, Dimitri, thank you. But also, please tell me what you are looking at. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you a bull? Are you a bear? You want to buy? You want to sell? Yeah, your time frame maybe. Okay. So. Yeah, maybe yen basket could come back higher towards 75.18 towards the downtrend line. So that's why maybe in the short term I will look for potential Japanese yen longs, because if it takes out the pivot point, the resistance here 74.27, then it could extend its growth. Okay, so right now I will look for potential so US oil first of all, and then I will come back and I will talk about the Japanese yen. So crude oil, US oil here, Euro USD, please, but please tell me what you are looking at. You want to buy, you want to sell, your time frame. Yeah, thank you. So US oil right now up channel, but I've told you that also this could represent a falling wedge pattern, a reversal pattern. But I've told you that as long as it stays below 92.92, below the downtrend line, I don't know, maybe this could be only a temporary rebound. And here, test retests, false breakouts. One moment. So test retest, false breakouts, valid breakdown, boom. Okay. So this pattern, this up channel, could represent a bearish formation, but right now yeah, it's premature to talk about a new sell-off as long as it stays above this this uptrend line here within the up channel, because moving sideways, staying near the downtrend line here could signal an imminent breakout and valid breakout above the downtrend line, and jumping, closing and stabilizing above this zone and area, resistance zone, resistance area, could signal a larger growth. Right now, no, I don't have a setup. I don't want to buy it here because it could only reach the R1, the upper medium line, and then could drop. I don't want to sell it as long as it stays here above this uptrend line. So this is my opinion. Right now, no, I don't have an opinion. And yeah, I've said that the crude oil inventories, that indicator, came in above expectations, but in the previous week, in the last week, but far below 8.8 in the previous reporting period. Okay, so right now, no, I don't have a setup. I don't want to trade US oil right now. But technically, yeah, after jumping and closing maybe above these former lows, yeah, it could approach and reach the R1, the upside line, the downtrend line. Okay. Euro USD. I talked about Euro USD. Don't forget that you can watch this webinar later in our YouTube channel. We have a playlist. So I've said that sell-off, rebound, but I said that I don't want to do anything right now here because we have 0.9952 key level. Okay. I don't know, maybe I want to see test, retest, sideways movement here before extending its sell-off. I want to see maybe test, retest, false breakouts. Yeah. So right now I'm keeping my pending order in US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Okay. Alex. USD CAD breaks the channel down for sell. Let's take a look. So yeah, USD Japanese yen, I've talked about this market right now, sell off, but I said that maybe I will look only for longs from here. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay. Okay. So strong rally, and right now it has reached, or actually it was almost to hit 1.3207. Sell off. Yeah. Let's take a look on the dollar index. But personally, I don't know. Maybe I don't want to sell it. I don't want to sell it as long as the dollar index is located above the pivot point above 109.29. Yeah, because here on the dollar index, something like this or something like this. Yeah. And as long as it stays, if it moves sideways, value breakout could signal potential upside continuation. So no, right now I don't want to sell the US dollar. Okay. I don't want to sell the US dollar. Yeah, maybe here in the short term after failing to stay above the R1, above 1.3148. This calendar will be closed in 1 minute. I had bought Euro USD 1.0014. Is it correct, or I should close the position? So I will not tell you what to do, Jalan. Let's take a look, but I will not tell you what to do if I don't have a position. So 1.0014. Okay, I believe around this level. Okay. Is it correct, or I should close the position? It's up to you. It's your trading position. Personally, right now, no, I don't have a position in Euro USD. I don't have a setup right now, so it's up to you. Okay, so pivot point as resistance 1.0010. It's up to you. Okay, I will not tell you what to do. I'm not the financial advisor. It's your call. If you want to keep it, or if you want to delete it. And I told you 0.9952 as support. Okay, and yeah, it remains to see. Right now the dollar index drops. Okay, and the potential deeper drop, yeah, will push the euro versus the US dollar higher. Okay. And I don't know, maybe it could move sideways in the short term. Yeah, between these levels 1.0023, 0.9955. So it remains to see. In my opinion, only something like this, guys. So stabilizing above the medium line, above maybe the pivot point here, and the new higher high could signal a larger rebound in the short term. Okay, this is my opinion. And of course, as I've said earlier, if it stays below the medium line here, test, retest, a new lower low, could signal potential deeper drop, downside movement. Okay, USD CAD. Yeah, it drops. It drops because the dollar index drop it right now in the short term. But I don't know, maybe this, yeah, if I don't see something like a high probability setup or something familiar, no, I don't want to trade. I'm keeping my pending order in US dollar versus the Mexican peso, because here, I don't know, if I would have, or if I if I would have liked to sell here, yeah, I would have placed my stop loss here, but no, right now no, I don't want to sell the US dollar, as I've said. Okay, I don't want to sell the US dollar. So Dimitri, all right, thank you. Yeah, thank you. The British pound versus Japanese yen, and more on the downside. I will take a look on those markets, on the Japanese yen pairs, US dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah. So resistance here on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Resistance test, retests. Support. A new higher high could signal maybe potential further growth, an upside continuation. And staying below this level 0.9627, a new lower low could signal a potential sell-off in the short term. But as you already know, personally I have a pending order in US dollar versus the Mexican peso, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, rebound. Yeah, rebound is natural after something like this. Okay. Also here on Australian dollar, US dollar, rebound. But no, right now I don't want to sell the US dollar. Okay, so yeah, British pound versus the Japanese yen. Okay, so I've told you that maybe the yen basket could resume its growth in the short term. Dimitri, how many signals you send out for subscribers? I don't know, it depends. At least 1-2 per day. I don't know, maybe when we have something like high probability trades and good setups. Right now, yeah, I don't have something really good. Actually, yeah, I'm keeping that pending order in US dollar versus the Mexican peso, and I'm still waiting for confirmation after what happened after the US inflation data. It's really hard. It was really hard to identify something really good today. Yeah. And yesterday it was a really good decision to manage my position in Euro USD and gold, to close them at break even before the US data. Okay, so Dimitri, yeah, at least 1-2 per day. Yeah. Okay, so British pound, Japanese yen, yeah, it has dropped, but yeah, key level, key level, key level. Okay, so but right now I don't know, I don't have a setup, and when I don't have a setup, when I don't see something like a high probability setup, no, I don't want to trade. After this candle, I don't want to sell it here. Okay, I don't want to buy it either, so I'll wait. I'll wait maybe because as long as it stays above this key level, I don't know, maybe this could be only a temporary drop, temporary retreat, and I need a link to sign up. You can access the link posted right below this video, Dimitri. So yeah, I will send the link here as well. Okay, so you can access that link if you want to join us. You can also send an email to support if you have questions, Dimitri. So here, retreat, but as long as it is above 164.65, test retest, I don't know, maybe this this retreat could bring us new long opportunities. So right now, no, I don't want to sell it here, because I told you that okay, yen basket rebounded, but I said that a very breakout here could signal potential growth here. Yeah, but I don't have a setup there on British pound, Japanese yen. Also here, euro Japanese yen reached this key level. Maybe temporary rebounds here on this market, and also on the British pound versus the Japanese yen could bring us new short opportunities. But right now, no. Okay. Don't forget, guys, to like the video. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, maybe here, guys, maybe on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, I will look for an intraday short term Japanese yen long. Okay, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen short. Okay, so also here, so 108.90 breakdown retest, but maybe here something like a rebound test retest could bring us new short opportunities here on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. But I'll wait for confirmation. Okay, after false breakout, breakdown from this range, and that's why maybe I believe that the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen could drop deeper. Okay, but I will look for shorts here around these levels. Okay, here, no, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, no. But also here, maybe we'll have a rebound after this amazing sell-off. As long as I don't if I don't see potential Japanese yen longs on all these pairs, then no, maybe I will not open and I will not place a trade on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, because here on the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, okay, strong sell-off, strong downside movement. Okay, and personally, I've drawn here an ascending pitchfork. Okay, and if the price will retest the downside line, the lower medium line, if it registers only false breakdowns here, then I don't know, maybe we can catch potential bullish momentum in the short term. So yeah, I will keep an eye on the Japanese yen, because right now I need confirmation. Okay, Alex, thanks. Can you please take a look at the euro, British pound? Please tell me what you are looking at. 1 hour time frame. Okay, Dimitri, how many signals? Dimitri, I need a, okay. I have zero knowledge about everything you are doing. Amazing animals videos. Yeah, so you can visit our YouTube channel. We have tutorials. You can visit. You can learn a lot from our tutorials and from our previous webinars and market and video analysis. And also don't forget, you can visit our website, I don't know, for a trading course, educational materials. Okay. Okay. Euro, British pound. Euro, British pound for Jack. Jack, hi, how are you? So euro, British pound, 1 hour. Yeah, that's retest, only false breakdowns. And it has reached resistance here, so former high as resistance. will draw a parallel line here with the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. I will, sorry guys, so I will shit, one moment. Okay, something like this. Yeah, okay. An inside sliding line here, parallel line, only false breakouts, and I will place line here as well. I will set another color for this ascending pitchfork, and I don't know, as long as it stays above this line. No, I don't want to sell it, maybe. Okay, we have also key level here, so test, retest, I don't know. But no, I will I don't have a setup right now here on this market. Maybe the bias remains bullish as long as it stays above this inside sliding line, above 0.8618. Amazing animals video. Okay, sir. Yeah, so please watch our videos in our YouTube channel. I don't know, we have, I don't know, hundreds of live webinars, market analysis. We have also tutorials, yeah, and you can learn a lot, yeah, from our videos, and maybe we'll understand how to read the market. Also, as you already know, if you are a VIP member, and personally I'm sending a thought process, the rationale behind my trades, why I want to buy, why I want to sell. Yeah, I've lost everything I have on Forex trade. I really need you to help me out, please. I told you, if you're a beginner, please, first of all, you need to learn how to read the markets. You need to understand the markets, and then maybe you can I don't know, start trading again. But don't forget that also trading is risky. It's not for everyone or for everybody, and also past performance in trading is not a reliable indicator of future results or performance. Please understand that. Okay, Bitcoin. Let's take a look on Bitcoin. Sell-off. Okay, the bias is still bearish on Bitcoin. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies, in my opinion, please take a look here. Maybe only a sideways movement, rebound here, sell off, rebound, sell off. So as long as it stays below 22,400, below the downtrend line, the bias is still bearish. It could come back down towards the former lows. So yeah, Ethereum versus the US dollar. Also here rebounds, but the bias is still bearish as long as it stays below these former highs. Now, yeah, a new lower low could activate a potential deeper drop. Okay. Yeah, I've told you that we don't have something really good today. That's why maybe this will be only a quick session. Yeah. I will send maybe something later if I'll have confirmation. So US 100. The bias is bearish in my opinion. In the short term, maybe I will look for potential shorts, but I'll wait for the price to end. Antares, do you have this live trading webinar regularly? Yeah, every week. I don't know. I'm hosting these lives twice per week, maybe, or I don't know. Maybe I will go live. I don't know. At least maybe twice per week, maybe in the upcoming period. So yeah. Also Orlando will go live. So yeah, we have these live webinars regularly. So I'll wait maybe for the price to end its rebound before I will look for a short, for a selling opportunity here in US 100 on the US 100. Let's take a look on US 30. US 30. Masil, hello. Your last VIP signals was cancelled. Hit stop loss or break even situation on market is so complicated last time. What? So my last two trades, gold long and Euro USD long, I've closed the positions before the US inflation data at break even, around break even. Yeah. And right now I have a pending order. So no. Yeah, and also don't forget that trading is not only about winning trades. That's why we are using a stop loss. That's why I'm using, or actually I'm risking only 1% of the trading account per trade. Yeah, it's very, very important. Also money management, risk management. Yeah, I told you, past performance, maybe, I don't know, I will double my account, I will triple my account, but maybe in the upcoming weeks, I don't know, maybe I will lose 10 trades in a row. Okay, so yeah, please understand that trading it's risky. Trading and don't forget that past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Okay, please understand that. Yeah, I will look maybe for potential shorts on US equities, of course, if the dollar index will resume its growth. Okay, yeah, it's still here. Dollar index within this pattern above 109.29 as key level, former resistance, current support, and the breakout. Boom. Okay, that's why I'm still looking for US dollar longs. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen again, but no. Gold, guys, I forgot to talk about gold, maybe. So gold. The bias is still bearish, in my opinion. If the dollar index jumps higher, okay, Dimitri, I'm in. Okay, please, if you subscribed, please wait for the, or actually you can access your client account in our website to join the VIP group, or you can send an email to support, or you can wait for support to come back to you, Dimitri. So yeah, gold. sell-off, strong sell-off yesterday after the US inflation data. And as you already know, when the US dollar is strongly bullish, I don't want to buy gold. I don't want to buy silver. Okay. Actually, I'm looking for potential shorts on silver, on metals when the US dollar rallies. Nico, good luck. Yeah, hi, how are you, Nico? Right now I don't have a setup. I don't want to do anything here right now. Here on gold. Silver rallied. Yeah. And a new higher high could signal potential larger swing higher on silver, but as I said, as long as I don't have a setup, high probability setup. So here in silver, on ascending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3, okay, it has found resistance here right above the medium line. Right now it could come back to retest it, I don't know. And in my opinion, only something like this could signal potential further growth, because something like this here, retests, yeah, could signal potential new sell-off. Okay, guys, nothing really good right now. I don't have a setup, really good setup right now. That's why I will end this webinar here. And don't forget that I will go live tomorrow or on Friday again for my second webinar, live webinar of the week, during the week. So thank you, guys. See you tomorrow or on Friday. And yeah, I will come back with my updates on that pending order, if I'll keep it in the VIP group. Yeah. Okay, thank you, guys. See you tomorrow or on Friday. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget that you can watch it again later in our YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.